Here I am, Jagannath. Full view, front view. Subhadra, Baladev. Full Sakshat Darshan, head to toe. This is Karuna Bhagavan, Karunamayi, Shakti, Subhadra, giving mercy, unlimited mercy. And this whole pastime of Snan Yatra, the Anavasara ceremony, and the Rath Yatra is all about Anukampa. It is all about Anukampa. AAA. All about Anukampa. Anukampa. Anugraha. Mercy, compassion, kindness, in short, Bhagavan Priti. The love of God. For whom? For a selected few? For those with the adhikar? Those sannyasis, those Brahmins, they have Brahman Janam? High-class individuals, devatas. Is this mercy for them? And only them? It's restricted? Brahmins only? Hindus only? You go to some temples, Hindus only, no Videshis. Brahmins only, no chamaras. In many temples of India, especially even Vrindavan, chamara, bangi, they can't enter the temple. Radha Raman, Radha Damodar, etc. These ancient temples, they have their laws. Chamara, bangi, no chamara, bangi. Vaishya, pravesh hoga. Baniya, pravesh hoga. Shudra, okay, dire. Brahmin, fatafat. Kshatriya means paisawala. Or Baniyas, now it's Baniyas of the Paisa. Fatafat, underjao. Special darshan. Are you a daniwala? They measure you, the pujaris measure you. Oh, you have a very fat pocketbook. You have a very, come on, sir, hey, Sate, Mr. Sate, come, special darshan. Don't wait in line, come. You have 1,000 rupees? Yeah, no problem. Puts your head on the feet of the Lord, gives you the garland, the chanda, and everything. Royal treatment, special mercy from the pandas. Only for the elite, the wealthy, the rich, the aristocratic, the haves. But for the have-nots, too bad. Wait in line for 8 hours, 10 hours to get 1 second darshan. But is our Bhagavan Sri Krishna like this? He does not have this type of heart. His heart is unlimited. He can accommodate every jiva in the universe. This is the absolute principle of transcendental love. Unlimited accommodation. Love means all accommodating. Sometimes we used to say that, don't mind, but this is from experience of being married. I said marriage means suffocation. Love means accommodation. Accommodation. Love means accommodation. Marriage means suffocation. Accommodate means to include. Like when you love someone, then you include everything of that person and everyone and every aspect of that person. There's no division, there's unity, there's harmony. Harmony, unity, accommodation. So this is Krishna. And in this very pastime, Jagannath Dev, Bhagavan Sri Krishna, in his feature of Jagannath Dev in Puri, is teaching this most valuable lesson of Bhagavan Tattva. Ontology. Let's call ontology. What is the nature of God? What is the mentality of transcendence? What is his sambandha with the jivas? What is his interest or concern for the conditioned souls? Does he care about me? Little me, the chamara, the downtrodden, the downcast, the niggardly, the poor? Or is Krishna only for the rich? Ram is only for the rich. The god of the poor is Shiva. Shiva is the god of the poor. No, this is not like that. So Jagannath is announcing with a huge drum, boom, boom, boom. Listen, see what I'm doing here. I'm not restricted for anyone. I'm available to everyone. And examine this very pastime, and you will see how much I'm available. Step by step of this pastime, this whole Rath Yatra pastime is all about anugraha. Of course, there's many levels, obviously. Taking Krishna Vrindavan, all this. Okay, this is our Gaudiya conception, but I want to speak in the broader conception of the overall pastime that's been going on for thousands of years, how it was understood by the acharyas, Vaishnavacharyas, before the Gaudiya conception. This pastime, Snan Yatra Anavasara ceremony and Rath Yatra, is a pastime of mercy. Mercy for whom? Mercy for everyone. High, low, big, small, poor, rich, daridra, dhani, crorepati, no pati, bahupati. Everyone. All are welcome. Like they have these machines around India, around the cities, called ATM. What does that mean? Anytime Mula. Mula means money. Paisa, rupees, rubles, pounds, francs, marks, Dutch marks. But what does it mean to us? It means anytime mercy. And every devotee in this room is a walking ATM machine. Krishna says, Yantra Rudaya Mayaya. Gita says, Yantra Rudaya Mayaya. Right? This body is a yantra. Yantra means machine. So Vaishnava is Krunamayi, Kripambudi. Vaishnava Kripambudi. Kripa Ambudi. He's an ocean of mercy. And where is he drawing his mercy from? Anukampa Bhagavan. Kripa Bhagavan. And this Jagannath, the whole temple of Jagannath, the whole distribution of prasadam at Jagannath, the whole appearance of Jagannath, the whole existence of Jagannath is all about Anukampa. Anukampa Bhagavan. The distribution of mercy to everyone, the lepers, the poor, Videshis, everything. Deshi, Videshi, Subdeshi, any Deshi, ET. You can be an ET and come and get the mercy. Extraterrestrial. So merciful. You examine all the aspects of this pastime deeply. So we, the Vaishnavas, we are ATMs. Walk anytime mercy. Anytime we'll preach about Krishna. Anytime we'll give Mahaprasadam. Anytime we'll give the Mahamantra. Anytime we'll help people move closer to Krishna. And it's all originating from Jagannath. Anytime mercy. Especially Jagannath. Do you know what time the last darshan of Jagannath is? The last darshan of Jagannath is 1 o'clock in the morning. And what time is the first darshan? 3 o'clock. 3 a.m. chalu, 1 baje band. So Jagannath, just see the darshan time. What does this indicate? Darshan time means anytime mercy. This is the original ATM machine. It's called the Jagannath Puri Temple. Is anytime mercy machine. Practically 24 hours a day you can go get Mahaprasadam. Govinda's restaurant is never closed. The snack shop is never closed. Chobis Ganta Seva. Anytime you can get Mahaprasadam, and practically every hour and minute of the day you can get darshan of Jagannath. This is mercy. Jagannath Swami ki!